The purpose of Finance for All is that convert balance sheet, means all these financial statements, into a goal sheet and bring it to the DNA of the organization. Friends, hope you are fit, fine and healthy. I always make a statement that the things those get measured or reviewed, those will get improved. But the dilemma is that what we want to improve. If it is a personal health or organizational health, still the question remains same, what we want to improve. As far as personal health is concerned, we want to control our blood pressures, we want to reduce weight, or we want to improve our immunity, increase the oxygen saturation level, etc., etc. But when it comes to organization level, do we know what is mean by the organizational health? And answer in the most of the times is that we don't know what is mean by organization's health. Here I will like to ask one question. When have you gone in details of the balance sheet of your organization? When have you gone through the profit and loss account of your organization and cash flow of your organization? Do you know there is linkages between these three statements? Do you know that these statements represent the health of the organization? Most of the time the answer is no. These documents are generally prepared as a statutory requirement for the external agency called government. But do you know that if you go through in details of this document, they can tell what is going wrong in my organization? Do you know that these documents are health card of your organization? When going into details of this document and understanding its linkage with the operations and start monitoring those things will definitely improve the health of organization. Bates has come out with a course called Finance for All. This course gives the insight of these documents in very practical way. In the organization, the top management or the second line in the organization, can say department heads, critical mass in the organization should know these documents in very details. What these documents are? Profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. So Bates is a giving platform to understand these documents and the parameters to look into that, parameters for monitoring this so that the entire health of organization will improve. Do you know that what is mean by critical to profitability in quality function, critical to profitability in HR function, critical to profitability in design function, production function, marketing function, etc., etc. So this Finance for All course gives the entire insights, entire you can say that connections between these functions and the health of the organization. The purpose of Finance for All is that convert balance sheet, means all these financial statements, into a goal sheet and bring it to the DNA of the organization. So when I am saying that Bates is giving opportunity to convert balance sheet into the goal sheet, it means that all the financial jargons are brought to the level of operations. So Bates is giving the platform to understand this everything. Myself, Umesh Bagnikar, having a 28 plus years of experience handling assignments nationally and internationally. Myself along with my partners having the same experience, we have designed this course for everyone in the organization. The course is designed for the top management, the course is designed for critical people in the organization and owners, so that whenever they take any decisions, those decisions should reflect and can say influence the health of organization in only positive way.